What if I told you you can use Grammarly Pro for free, legally, in just 2 minutes? Yes, you heard that right. No credit card. No trials. No tricks. Just a simple method that most people don't even know exists. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to get it. But listen, this is not some fake hack or risky download. This is just using a website that shares access to premium tools. So make sure you watch till the end, because one small mistake, and it won't work. First, open your browser. Now go to a website called Tlgx. Once you're on the home page, create a new account using your email. It only takes a few seconds. After logging in, look for a section called Free Services. Click on that. Here, you'll see a list of different premium tools. And yes, Grammarly Pro is one of them. Now scroll a bit and find Grammarly Pro. Click on it. You'll see an option to get access. Once you click it, the site will give you a login email and password. Now listen carefully. This is a shared account. That means other people might be using it too. So don't change anything inside the account. Just log in, use it, and enjoy Grammarly Pro features. With this, you can check grammar, fix mistakes, improve your writing, and even make your content sound more professional. Perfect for students, bloggers, or anyone creating content. And yes, this video is only for educational purposes. Always respect the tools you use and support the original creators if you can. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more simple tricks like this. I'll see you in the next one.
Darling, down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's not for us. Now you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem better than me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No.